Babies learn through their senses from day one, and those early sensory experiences have been shown to be the start of cognitive development. So those snuggles and cuddles and strokes that you're giving your newborn is the foundation of their emotional development down the road. And so once babies are able to start reaching grasping, which is usually around when they're sitting, we want to keep that sensory exploration going. And one really easy way is to take your loaf pan and some elastics from your veggies and make them their own little baby guitar by stretching the elastics over the loaf pan. The elastics, the rubber of the elastics create a really interesting tactile sensory experience, and then for them, as they go and stroke all the way through, it makes an auditory sensory experience for them too. So they'll be touching and they'll be hearing at the same time.